quiet on set. You remember when we were, little? Me either. Remember when we were little and we used to stow away our backpacks in cute little cubbies like this one? We used to put our name tags on them, like that. And as we got older, it turned into lockers with actual locks on them. As adults, we got pretty used to drawers and large filing cabinets under our desks. Plenty of room for office supplies and personal items too. But open office floor plans and flexible work environments means there's less and less your space and my space and more our space. So we're back to cute little cubbies and lockers too. But we're not just hanging up coats and backpacks anymore. The average worker carries with them at least 3 connected devices at all times. So it's not just about having a place to put your stuff, it's also about having a place to charge your stuff. That's why Byrne created Locker Power Kits, corded system kits that put power and charging behind every door in any layout you choose to configure. Tall, short, cubby-sized, side by side, stacked on top of each other, and then on top of each other again, in long runs or small sections. Our kits include power and charging for each locker, with easy-to-access mounting, and grommets for distributing cords from each unit to the next. And, most importantly, each system comes with just one corded in-feed. So with just one outlet, you're powering a whole system of storage. So when you get back from your lunch break or your recess, your devices will be safe and secure, and fully charged and ready to go. I guess you could say Byrne has this whole power thing on lock.